We start with the monthly chart, and we want to see how we can look at the chart because we haven't looked for this chart since last year. Anyway, based on monthly chart, we are looking at this one. We want to see whether this is the only correction and this is the start of the up move, or we can expect this one turn to a flat, the price drop, consolidate for a longer time before we see the continuation. As I mentioned, most of the chart, they have a similar movement. And as long as if the price of the Bitcoin break the all-time high, then we could expect for the rest for continuation. That means this is only correction and this is the start of the up move. But we have to see the breakout of the 1.3 following by 1.6 to confirm for continuation. And if the price could break this one, then we can look for continuation with the expectation for the price to take all-time high. Anyway, at this point, I'm looking for 1.3 following by 1.6 based on higher time frame. And if we move to lower time frame, if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation, we don't see anything else. That means if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we'll take it. Since the price was within here, we have been looking for 1.12 following by 1.3. We don't need this one anymore. Right now, we're looking at the 1.3. And if we see the continuation, MACD, we don't see the divergence, but we will see the divergence. But at this point, we don't need to look, to consider about that. That's mean we're looking for continuation. The only thing is how to look for trade. As we can see, the prices at this top. For me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer to see the breakout as this one as a sharp move, then I will take the trade. As a corrective move, but we cannot get the proper trade set up based on, and for the trade, we have to look for the 1 hour or forward chart. And even if we see the breakout here, we will have divergence. That's why the breakout as a sharp move is really important, because in that case, we can look for the flag. And at this point, having a tree above this top can be an option, but for me, I'm not really interested because of the divergence, and it depends how it can break. Okay, and if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. We can put our entry above here with the expectation the price sharply tag, break, and continue, but we need to be really careful. It's very risky. Anyway, if we want to look for buy, if you want to be safe, we prefer to see the breakout of this one as a short move flag, then we will take the trade. At this point, having entry above here can be an option, but for me, I won't suggest because it's really risky. And anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy, the next level I'm looking for to see the breakout of is 1.3. And from today, we try to follow the charts. We come up with the more details and update. Thanks.